What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the chaos. It is day 3, and unfortunately overnight it stormed, poured down rain, so it's a nasty looking day, unfortunately, and that's just Mother Nature for you. But this event is rain or shine, so yesterday the goal was to be kind of near the front because I didn't want to get left behind. I wanted to keep a good pace. Today I'm sticking towards the back so that way I can go at my own pace, and because again, from my bit wheel experience from last year, I'm a little timid, a little gun shy this year, especially with it being rainy, because that's what same conditions all over again. So we don't want any repeat chaos. So we're just gonna stick to the back, take it easy. We're trying to figure out, I kind of suspect that there won't be too many cars today, so it should be nice to kind of just have a smaller group. It'll be easier to keep up with. So Alan will be leading us just like always. This is not his first rodeo, but we're gonna go get the car staged and ready and see what today brings. We're supposed to go Foothills Parkway, Tail of the Dragon, and then everybody's supposed to meet up at Fontana Dam. That's where you get like the huge group shots, and everybody's supposed to be there and kind of mingle and get pictures and video, and I don't know. We'll see how many people that brings, but you're along for the ride. So let's go ahead and get to the car, get staged up. I will say one upside to it raining today is the front bumper and the whole kind of hood. We were following a Gen 2 that was had some oil blow by, so we got littered with oil yesterday. We've already cleaned the windshield, but yeah, I kind of left the body of the car alone. But hopefully that rain will help wash some of that oil away. To get as far back as I possibly could. So we do have a few random, we got a few Vipers behind us, looks like maybe a Porsche, maybe a Corvette, but yeah, just gonna take it easy today. It's pouring down rain. Somebody else had a little chaos this morning. They had picked up a nail, so they're trying to find a tire shop to go to. I feel for them because that was me last year, trying to figure out shops to go to and everything, and today's a Saturday, so of course a lot of places closed, but heading out to the Foothills Parkway and then the Dragon. Parked up waiting for everybody to catch up here on the parkway, but it's coming down pretty solid now, so it's gonna be an interesting ride. I think it'll be very slow, steady. Today is the name of the game. We're parked up here at Fontana Dam and we got a good row of vipers going, so we hit the tail of the dragon. I survived, no damage this time, but we were going at such a slow clip. I mean, I think the speed limit on the dragon is 30, 35. And honestly, there were at times we were going way under that, 20, 25 miles an hour. So a lot of it I was actually able to do in first gear, and just even then, because the second gear was just lugging the engine. So took our time, took it nice and steady. So I hate it was like pouring down rain most of the time, but glad to see this many vipers at least, you know, brave the elements to line up out here at Fontana Dam. So we're just gonna kind of chill out here for a few minutes, and then I think the next plan is to go grab lunch. But it's still so surreal to me, like seeing this many vipers all at one time. It's just mind-blowing. Again, dream car times 40, however many cars we have out here. Made it to Topoko Lodge, so this is kind of like a Tail of the Dragon staple. I feel like if you do Tail of the Dragon, you have to come here and eat. Food's great, the views are great. Never been here in the rain though, so that's gonna be interesting, but like the rain kind of gives us like this little moody vibe. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling it. Everything is like a slower pace today, but it's keeping everybody together, and seeing this many cars is just, like I said before, it's unreal, but having a blast. So let's go ahead and go grab some lunch. Now that we got full bellies, the sun come out, so we are going to hit up the Cherohala Skyway, because yesterday we got held up in traffic. So sun's out, guns out, we're gonna aim for it, and we're gonna kind of loop around, because like I've never checked out the 129 hub as many times as I've been up here, so I really want to do that. So we're gonna do the Cherohala Skyway first, and then circle back to the hub. This is the group we're rolling with though, so they're all 3 Gen 4s. gassed up and we're gonna go hit the Cherohala Skyway now. So I'm excited. There's 3 Gen 4s all together, all different variations from ACR to modified to completely stock. Should be a good time. camera up for a bit, and there's a good reason why. We got pulled over. So Tennessee's finest gave me a little going right way present, but they were nice. Luckily, it was just a warning, but never actually had a written warning before, so got a nice little souvenir to take home. So could have been worse. Could have had a ticket because we were hauling. I was third in line, and he got all three of us. He jumped out in the road, stopped the lead car, and then pulled us all over on the on a little side overlook. Did his thing, gave us a good stern talking to, and then just told us to slow down, you know, just be careful out there. So super cool cop, but whew, man, thought this was about to be a lot of chaos that my heart can't take it. So back to the hotel now, kind of rushing around. We had a good ride back, but that kind of killed a lot of our time with the Tennessee folks. But there's a Q&A session with the Viper crew, so I'm gonna rush to that, and then we'll update y'all when we get back in the room. Oh, this is always the saddest part of the weekend, is having to pack up and leave, but we had a blast, an absolute blast. Legs over here too. But yeah, we're headed home, so he's got about a 2.5 hour journey to drop him off, and then I think all in all I got about a 7-hour journey right outside of Raleigh. But man, couldn't have asked for it. There was some rain, but Friday was beautiful weather. Yesterday ended up beautiful weather, but the whole weekend is just about good vibes, good people, amazing cars, so can't beat it. If you have
kept all 4 wheels.
Yes, that was the biggest thing. We avoided chaos. Now, don't get me wrong, the little ticket, you know, the souvenir we got coming home, like that. But again, that was best case scenario, because that got my heart racing, because when we got pulled over and stopped, I thought for sure, I was like, well, my insurance is about to go up, this is about to suck. But no, the cop ended up being super cool about it. So leaving here with some good stories, more friends than last year, so good time. If you do have a Viper, I highly recommend joining like the Viper Association. Awesome people. But we're gonna wrap it up here. I want to thank y'all for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you in the next one.